Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope everyone is having a beautiful day. A very quick and easy cucumber salad along with some tomatoes. So I have just two regular cucumbers. If you want to use the English cucumbers, you may. They contain less water. But this is normally what my mama used to do with the cucumbers. Now, you can make as much of this cucumber salad as you like, ladies and gentlemen. It's really up to you. I know it's the end of the summer, but this is a very decent recipe that I like to have in my refrigerator, especially when I'm losing weight. This is like my go-to salad. Cucumbers are good for us, right? So I'm gonna place that right there and just show you how I'm gonna cut up my cucumber. Slice it across once. Slice it across one more time. And they're not going to be even pieces, and that's fine, ladies and gentlemen. You're just trying to get it as evenly as possible. They're going to be small pieces. This is going to be a delicious, healthy salad, ladies and gentlemen. And once I get the cucumbers and the tomatoes cut up, I'll show you which dressing I'm going to make for this delicious summer salad. So we have our cucumbers. Now we're ready to slice up our tomatoes. I found it easier to cut my tomatoes like this. Now, you definitely want to keep them small as usual. I should have grabbed a different knife, but this one will work. And I normally discard the top of my tomatoes, and I just come across like this. And this is going directly into our salad. And now we have our red onion. Now I'm only going to use half of this red onion. And I'm going to rinse my onion. Give me 1 second. I'm going to slice the onions this way first. And now I'm going to turn the onion just like this and just make small little pieces as such. And now we have our cucumbers, our tomatoes, and onions inside of here. Now remember, your cucumbers will make water as well. So as you see, as I combine this with my fork, with my knife, I'm gonna grab something different in a second, you guys, before I make my sauce. But as you see, it's looking pretty delicious. Now, if you want to add some more tomatoes in here, you may, but I think this is a very great balance right now. Have a cup of olive oil. And in that same measurement, I'm using balsamic vinegar, about 1/4 cup, which is half of that, actually the remaining of the balsamic vinegar. If you want to use red wine, you may, ladies and gentlemen. It's really up to you. Let's do about 1 teaspoon of garlic, about 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, some black pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon, ladies and gentlemen, and add some kosher salt, about 1/2 teaspoon, not much. And to balance this all with all the acidity, we are going to add about 1 teaspoon of sugar. If you want to add more, you may. Let's whisk this together. Now I'm out of lemons, So I will squeeze some lemon juice in here later on when I go to the store. I think I want just a tad bit more sugar in there. That vinegar taste in there, I need to offset it just a tad bit. That's much, much better. Now we're ready to pour this directly on top of our veggies. And give this a stir. Oh, this looks delicious. This is basically it, ladies and gentlemen. I'll probably add another tomato to this dish. In fact, I think I will. But that's basically it. You have your nice cucumber tomato salad right there before you. What do y'all think about that? Y'all get some? Y'all get a bite? Does that not look delicious? Yeah, I need to try this recipe. It's good. I'm gonna cut up another tomato in here to top it off. But before I go, I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 10,000 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your question or your comments below and I will respond. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button for me and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. Until then, God bless you. Y'all have a great day and I will see you again on the next video. Thanks again for watching.